Hello, today I have come up with the topic DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. So this is an R&D organization, and this is for building up science and technology base in the field of defense. So for bringing about science and technology for defense. And it was established in 1958, and it is working under Ministry of Defense. So we have a Ministry for Defense, and DRDO is one institute under Ministry of Defense. And there are around 52 laboratories all across the country, and they are distributed in 22 places. And nearly 6 of these DRDO laboratories are in Delhi. So Delhi plays a major role, and this has been brought by the integration of 3 institutes. Earlier there used to be 3 institutes. They are Defense Science Organization, Defense Technical Development and Establishment, and Directorate of Technical Development and Program. So these 3 institutes were integrated into DRDO in the past, and the headquarters of DRDO is at New Delhi. And the first project after this integration process as a unit called DRDO, the first project taken up was Project Indigo. And this DRDO has got a motto, that is strength's origin is in knowledge. So this is the motto of DRDO. And as it is under the Ministry of Defense, Defense Minister looks after this. And apart from Defense Minister, there is also a post, that is Executive Chairman. So DRDO has got an Executive Chairman. The present Executive Chairman is Dr. Satish Reddy. And let us see the mission of DRDO. And DRDO deals with production, solution and development. So we'll see production. Production is to design and develop and lead production. So in the field of weapon systems, defense equipment and sensors. So to produce these, DRDO comes up with designing and developing that design and leading the project to finally make these weapon systems and all. That is about production. And the next mission is solution. So to bring technical solutions for effectiveness and well-being of the army, and effectiveness and well-being of the troops of the army, the persons who are working, the personnel, to bring good effectiveness for their working efficiency and the well-being of those troops, those people, to come up with technical solutions is its second mission. And the next mission is to develop infrastructure and manpower. So DRDO needs infrastructure for its innovations and all. So to develop this infrastructure indigenously, so to develop that in India local level itself, DRDO has come up. So infrastructure and manpower to develop them indigenously. So these are the 3 missions of DRDO. And DRDO deals with various disciplines. So there are so many disciplines. Aeronautics, it deals with the making and functioning of rockets, flights, aircrafts and etc. And armaments, any weaponry, any equipment that military needs. And also electronics, any electronic goods, electronic things that the military, the defense needs. And combat vehicles, these vehicles are weapon carrying vehicles. They are used in war fields during war. So these are self-propelled vehicles, they move on their own. And the engineering systems, so whatever systems need engineering backup to design, to develop and everything. And instrumentation is about measuring things. So physical measuring things are needed in innovation in industries. So these measuring, all the measuring equipment is instrumentation. And missiles, we'll see about missiles in the coming explanation. And missiles are also self-propelled equipment, weaponry equipment. And advanced computing, so whatever needs computing, computer backup in the innovation of defense equipment. So advanced computing, that is advanced computing. And advanced simulation, simulation is making 3D picturing of the weapons or the warfare. So bringing about the imagination or 3D picturing or creativity that is needed in the defense. And naval systems, so what all is needed for the navy. and it not only deals with these aspects but also some different aspects like life sciences also. So DRDO comes up with solutions for life sciences also. And information system, defense needs good information system, telecommunication and everything. So building new information system, and it also comes up with agricultural problem solving technology too, and also training. So DRDO gives training to its personnel in relation to all the newly formed weaponry or the working with the weaponry matters. It gives training and special materials, like it makes shields, whatever is needed for the defense or the army. It makes shields and helmets for the personnel, and all such special materials making is also taken up by Defense Research and Development Organization. And let us see some achievements so far done. So IGMDP, this is a very big major achievement, Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. So this achievement is the brainchild of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So he is the missile man of India. So he he came up with this idea of Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. So this is dealing with development of missile technology, as the name itself suggests, missile. So this is working for the development of missile technology in India. And this program or project has got approved in the year 1983. And the project went to a next level in the year 2008 when Agni 3 missile was a very big success. So we had a missile called Agni 3, and in the missile setup of Agni setup we have this 1 to 5 missiles. So in that, Agni 3 was a big success in 2008, and then India was declared as self-reliant in the field of defense with the success of Agni 3 missile. And this IGMDP is coming up to form 5 groups of missiles like Trishul, Akash, Nag, Prithvi and Agni. So these 5 uh, sets of missiles, systems of missiles, ought to be developed by IGMDP. It was its mission and it has achieved it. And what are missiles? There are different types of missiles, basically surface to air to air, and surface to surface. This is about launching of them, how to launch. And there are defense missiles, cruise missiles, and submarine launched ballistic missiles and anti-tank missiles. So these are broad things. And missile has got 4 components in it. They are targeting system, flight system and engine, and it has got a warhead. So these are the 4 components of a missile. And example I've given here: Agni, Trishul, Akash, and so again Agni 1 to Agni 5. Agni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We were successful in doing these missiles. And the next important achievement was Mars achievement. Mobile autonomous robot system. This is a robot system that is to find out the landmines and to find out terrorist activities, improvised explosive devices. So any explosive devices that terrorists planned, these robots can go and unearth them. And these are for also the explosive remnants of war. After the war, if there are any explosive things left behind, this robot system brings them out. And this works with the technology of telecommunication. And the world's highest terrestrial center was built by DRDO at Ladakh, and this is 17,600 feet tall. And Changla in Pangong Lake, this is the location where it is located, and this has come up by the laboratory DHAR, Defense Institute for High Altitude Research. So this laboratory has brought this out at Leh. This is at Leh, Ladakh, and this acts as a natural cold storage for medicinal plants. As we have seen, DRDO is dealing with life sciences, so this is about medicinal plants. But there are some challenges in DRDO, like budget issues, ISRO versus DRDO, and manpower. So budget is not allocated well, and ISRO is coming up with new technology than DRDO. This is a critical point, and manpower is also not sufficient in DRDO. And this is the broad view about DRDO, and thank you.